Hi, hi. Welcome back. I'm back. I need to finish this. So let's do the part 4 of my Singapore holiday haul. Yes, this one. Some of you already doing this one, so I really need to do this one because I want to see what's inside in there. Yes. Yep. So obviously everybody knows that this is 15 pop beans and then 1 secret. So let's do this. So I think I might do by 4s. No, it can't be because it's not 12. By 5s. So 3 there, and then there you go. The 5s. It's Sega. Look at that. Next one. It's Chaka. Look at that. Okay, third one. Oh, it's called Panda. This is so cute. Look at that. Love it. Fourth one. Oh, Molly. Love her. Look at that. This Daisy here. Look at that. Daisy or sunflower? Look at that with this. Oh, she's ready for a swim. Last one. Hachi poo poo. Hachi poo poo. Hachi poo poo. Oh, that's cute. So that's my 5. Tiny ones, right? Love it. Yee-hee. The first 5. Love it, love it. Thank you. Bye.